Understanding German definite articles in nominative case. Welcome to our video series on learning German for beginners. In this lesson, we will delve into the intricacies of the 3 definite articles in German. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel for free and easy German lessons. Learning objectives. Let's outline our goals for this lesson. Understand the concept of nominative case. Define what constitutes a substantive. Explore various types of articles, focusing on definite articles. Nominative case. Nominative case is crucial in understanding sentence structure. Consider examples like Sabine ist da. Das Haus ist grau. Here, the subject, in the nominative case, conjugates the verb. The subject can be a noun or pronoun, singular or plural. Substantive, nomen or pronomen. Substantive, also known as nouns, can be a person nomen or thing sach. They may be singular or plural, always accompanied by an article. For persons, use w'er in questions. For example, w'er ist das. Das ist Peter. For things, use was in questions. For example, was ist das. Das ist ein Tisch. Articles and nouns. All German nouns have an article, with the important note that all nouns start with the capital letter. There are 3 types of articles: definite, indefinite, and negations. We'll focus on definite articles in nominative. Definite articles in nominative. Let's examine some sentences. Der Mann ist da. The man is here. Die Frau trinkt Wein. The woman is drinking wine. Das Baby ist es. The baby is cute. Each noun has a specific article based on gender: masculine, feminine, or neutral. For example, man takes der masculine, while Frau woman takes die feminine. Plural articles. In plural, the article is the same for all genders. Die Kinder spielen. The children are playing. Die Hund bellen. The dogs are barking. In the nominative case, the plural article is always die, regardless of gender. Memorization tips. To remember the articles easily, associate them with der. For masculine, think er for der. Die for feminine, think die for die. Das for neutral, think s for das. Praktische Andressor. Praxisweisbeunable. Findal Verlinchink. Transcripts are available $patrons. And podcasts for $5 patrons. Danke for watching. If you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. Share with friends and subscribe former. Click the bell for recent questions. Leave them in the comments. Auf Wiedersehen.